What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change Botim phone number. So, changing or updating your phone number here for your Botim account is not an easy process. There's a whole process here that you need to go through, and that includes you contacting support. Now, like what I said before, changing your phone number is not an easy thing to do here. So this is directly from their website, which is botim.me. And according to their website here, in order for you to update your mobile number, is you need to send an email to the official channels, which in this case is going to be the available email address on their websites. Now, I would highly recommend you to first visit their FAQ page first before doing so that you know what is the latest email address that they have in their website. Now, what you need to do is you want to send an email and make sure that you have the subject set as change phone number, and you also need to include some text here, like you need to include your new phone numbers and also your old phone number here, and an EID double-sided photos and proof of your possession of these phone numbers for verification. Now, why do we need to do this via their support? Well, again, it's not an easy process. It's more your Botim account is directly related or connected to your phone number, so updating it is kind of hard because again, it's a thing that really specify that this is your account. So that's your unique identification number if you're going to think about it. So yeah. So you need to reach out to support through the appropriate channels here and provide some verification here and some details about your phone number. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.